Ever find yourself tossing and turning at night, unable to quiet your racing thoughts? What if you could transform your bedtime into a powerful ritual that prepares your mind for deep, restful sleep? Let's explore how to set the stage for a peaceful night's rest with a bedtime routine that soothes your mind. Getting your mind ready for sleep isn't just about closing your eyes, it's about preparing it to truly unwind. Here's a practical guide to establishing a bedtime routine that calms your thoughts and sets you up for a restorative night. Step 1. Establish a wind-down ritual. Start your bedtime routine an hour before you plan to sleep. Engage in calming activities like reading a book, preferably something light and enjoyable, practicing gentle yoga, or listening to soothing music. These actions help signal to your brain that it's time to transition from the day's hustle to a state of relaxation. Step 2. Limit screen time. Avoid screens and bright lights at least an hour before bed. The blue light from phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Instead, opt for dim lighting or a soft lamp to create a calming environment. Step 3. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Incorporate mindfulness or meditation into your routine. Spend a few minutes focusing on your breath or practicing guided meditation. Techniques like these help clear your mind and reduce stress, making it easier for you to drift off to sleep. Step 4. Journaling for clarity. If your mind is racing with thoughts and worries, spend a few minutes journaling before bed. Write down your thoughts or create a to-do list for the next day. This practice can help offload any mental clutter and ease your mind, making it easier to fall asleep. Step 5. Create a relaxing pre-sleep environment. Transform your bedroom into a tranquil retreat. Use calming scents like lavender or chamomile with essential oils or scented candles. Ensure your room is cool, dark, and quiet to create a soothing environment that promotes relaxation and sleep. Relatable story. Meet Alex, who struggled with sleepless nights due to an overactive mind. By implementing a consistent bedtime routine that included winding down with a book, practicing mindfulness, and creating a relaxing environment, Alex noticed a significant improvement. His nights became more restful, and he woke up feeling more refreshed and focused. Preparing your mind for sleep is a crucial step in achieving restful nights. By following these simple steps, you can create a bedtime routine that calms your thoughts and helps you unwind. Start tonight and discover how a well-prepared mind can lead to a better night's sleep.